I'll tell you what, all the walls are finished on the outside. We can't put the interior walls in until we get the subfloor down. But Matt put up the strips for to put the drywall on the ceiling on the front part of the living room and the kitchen, and then we're going to lower it another inch, actually 2 inches, for the rest of the way back. So we're going to take a break for the rest of the day. Sunday, tomorrow's my birthday, so we're just going to kind of relax, maybe have a beer, and figure out what we're going to do next. So we'll see you tomorrow. You have a great day.